Alright guys, listen, Amir's Butchery and Grill. This is Brisbane's best steakhouse, if not Australia's. You come in here, you choose the cut that you want. He cuts it for you in the butchers and they cook it straight off for you. So here we go. We've got the tomahawk. That's there, look. 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 Oh my god, here we go. Brother, what the fuck in Brisbane right now? Look how it's cooked. It is so soft. I can't fuck shit up. Oh my god. That there, today is the best steak that Abra's ever had. That is off its fucking head. This is the best steak that I've ever had in my life today. And if you know it, you know. Oh my god, guys, get out here. If you're in Brisbane, you lucky fucks.